Shillong is loaded up with magnificent beauty without question, and its curvy roads and hills leads us to the fall set in the goodbye of scrub with effortless environment called Elephant Falls. And after this, we finally moved towards Mawsynram village, which is also known as the wettest place on earth, lying in the East Khasi Hills of Meghalaya and neighboring town Cherrapunji. Traveling is like a dove for me, and wherever I go with all my heart. So recently, I had an amazing 10 days trip to Meghalaya, a beautiful northeastern state of India, also known as home of clouds. It is surrounded by the Indian state Assam and neighboring country Bangladesh. So come and join me on my travel vlog series on Meghalaya.
Hi guys, good morning, and this is our day 2 in Meghalaya. Right now I'm in Shillong and this is 6 a.m. in the morning, and you can see that ki suraj pura nikal aaya hai. It's very sunny now, and now we are heading towards Mawsynram village, which is also known as the wettest place on earth. And we are gonna see that how people are living there and how they are just spending their lives in this lot of rain. So stay tuned guys. So guys, I'm staying in this hotel named Pumpkin Rooms, and this is at the distance of 1.5 km from Police Bazaar of Shillong. I will advise you, if you're coming to Shillong, don't take the rooms at Police Bazaar because they are very small and they are costly too. So it will be good if you will book rooms at some distance from the Police Bazaar.
So guys, while moving towards Mawsynram village, we first decided to visit the famous Elephant Falls, which is around 12 km from Police Bazaar of Shillong. So let's go.
So guys, this is our first point of attraction called as Elephant Falls. Behind me you can see the Elephant Falls, and now take some drone shots. So guys, finally we have reached Mawsynram village, and this village is also known as the wettest place on earth. But unfortunately today is very sunny, you can see, and now we are gonna take some drone shots of this village and I will show you the beauty of this village. So till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.